Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake not launching or crashing on PC. Follow these solutions step by step until the problem is fixed. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake. Right-click the game and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Now select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now check and repair any missing or corrupted files. Once the process is finished, launch the game and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Run the game as administrator. Open Steam again and go to your library. Right-click Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Browse Local Files. Locate Fatal Frame 2.exe. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as administrator. Also enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest graphics driver. After the update finishes, try launching the game again. Solution 4. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open the NVIDIA app. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. After the installation finishes, restart your PC and launch the game. Solution 5. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down until you find x86. Click vc_redis.x86 to download it. Then click vc_redis.x64 to download it. Once both files are downloaded, locate them on your PC. First, double-click vc_redis.x64. Accept the terms and click Yes. Wait for the installation to complete, then click Close. Do not restart your PC yet. Now double-click vc_redis.x86. Click Yes, accept the terms, and wait for the installation to finish. After both installations are completed, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake again, and the problem should be fixed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.